My name is Gijs and in this guitar tutorial I'm going to learn you how to play Your Power by Billie Eilish. This guitar tutorial is especially for beginners. I'm going to learn you how to play the chords and I'm going to learn you how to play the intro riff. First I'm going to explain you how to play the intro riff, and after I'm going to explain you how to play the chords of this song. I've made the intro riff easier. It's played by two guitars, but we're only going to play the riff of the first guitar. You have to start on the A fret of the thin E string. Then you have to play the 7th fret. And then you have to play the open thin E string. And you have to start after the chords have begun. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and before the first beat of the second bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, tam, pam, pam. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you get the first fret of the thin E string and then the open thin E string again. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you get the 3rd fret of the E string and then an open B string. So first you get 8, 7, open, first open. And then you get the 3rd fret on the thin E string and then the open B string. So we start on the 1st fret of the thin E string. So you get 1, 2, 3. Again. One more time, and 2, 3. This first part in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to play this first part again, but you don't have to play the 3rd fret on the thin E string and the open B string. So the first part and the second part in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3rd fret, open B. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And nothing. Then the 3rd time you have to play the first part again. So. And the 4th part is totally different. You start on the 3rd fret of the B string and you slide it up to the 5th fret of the B string. And then you have to pick the 5th fret 3 more times. So you get the slide. So, slide 1, 2, 3, and then you get the 3rd fret 2 times. And then you get the open B string. And this part starts on the first beat of the bar. So you get 3, 4. So we're going to start at part 3 and then we're going to play up to and including part 4. From part 3 you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. So you have to wait 8 beats before you play part 4. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to play the whole riff. If this is too hard for you, you can adjust the tempo in the YouTube player settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. Without. Part 1 again. 2, 3, 4. 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. Okay, now I'm going to explain you how to play the chords of this song. The first chord we have to play is the F major 7 chord. And you have to play it like this. 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret of the G string, 1st fret on the B string, and an open thin E string. After, we have to play the A minor chord. Open A string, 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st fret on the B string, and the open thin E string. And after, you have to play the G chord, 3rd fret on the thick E string, 2nd fret on the A string, open D string, open G string, open B string, and the 3rd fret on the thin E string. Now we're going to play the chords in the right order. You have to play the first chord for 2 bars. So you get F major 7, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, A minor chord, to the G chord, and over again, F major 7, 1, 2, A minor chord, to the G. Now I'm going to learn you how to play the strumming pattern. This is the strumming pattern you have to use for all the chords. Down, down, up. One more time. And down, down, up. When you have to play the A minor chord, you get down, down, up. And then you get the G chord right behind it. Down, down, up. But you have to play the F major 7 chord for 2 bars. And the second bar is a little bit different. You get the up, down, up, 2 more times. So you get down, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, down, up. And then you go to the A minor chord. So down, down, up, G, G. Up, down, up. Now we're going to practice this at a lower tempo. To make the whole strumming pattern complete, we have to make one addition at the F major 7 chord. We have to play an F major 7 sus2 chord. And to play this chord, we have to play an open G string. So the first down strum. Then we have to make a hammer-on with your middle finger between the 2 strokes. So you get one more time. So we're going to practice this 3 times. So loosen your middle finger and you get 3, 4, down, hammer, down, loosen, and down, hammer, down, loosen, and down, hammer, down. So the whole strumming pattern sounds like this. 3, 4, down, hammer, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, hammer, down, up, down. If this is too hard to make the changes between the chords, you can lift your fingers off of the string at the last upstroke. So from the A minor chord to the G chord, you get this. Down, down, up, down, loosen, down, down, up, down, loosen, down, up, down, up, loosen, down, loosen, down, loosen. Let me know if this tutorial worked for you, and I hope to see you in my next video.